Hello students, very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. In this session, we are going to discuss very important questions on the very interesting topic, Bluetooth, Internet and WiMAX. So the question number one is, an interconnected collection of Piconet is known as. So what is the interconnected collection of a Piconet? So basically four options are given to you: scatternet, micronet, mininet or multinet. So let me tell you what actually Piconet is exactly. This is a network and there are several devices. So you can say that it is a one of the Piconet. Okay. Another Piconet may be there, another Piconet may be there, another Piconet may be there. So there are several Piconet. So the interconnected group of these Piconets is called as scatternet, and in each Piconet several devices are there. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. That is, interconnected collection of Piconet is known as scatternet. Very important questions asked in IT officers exam. The next one is, what is internet? I hope you all know this. Very easy question, theoretical question. A single network? No, it is not a single network. A vast collection of different networks? Yes, internet is a vast collection of different kind of networks. Next one is, WiMAX stands for, it is asked in IBPS PO paper and under computer science section. What is the full form of WiMAX? So the correct full form of WiMAX is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It is one kind of technology. It is a kind of technology which is used in metropolitan area network for large cities like Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai. Okay, so WiMAX is a technology for connecting a large number of devices in metropolitan area network, and the full form is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. So option B is the correct answer. The next one is, in a Piconet there can be up to parged nodes in network. How many parged nodes can be there in a Piconet? So basically a Piconet is there, and in a Piconet maximum 7 slave devices should be there. How many? Maximum 7 slave devices. Slave devices means your mobile, your PC, through which you are connected, and out of this one might be your master devices. One might be your master device. Okay, but suppose this device is now disconnected. 7 slave devices, but this should be active. Maximum in a Piconet 7 active slave devices should be there, but suppose these devices get disconnected, so maximum 255 devices can be connected in a Piconet if they are not active, but actively only 7 can participate. So our question is, in a Piconet there can be up to parg node. Parg node means there might be some devices which is not connected to these master devices. So maximum 255 parg nodes can be there for a Piconet. So option C is the correct answer. Very important question. It is asked once in a GATE exam. The next question is, which of the following protocols is used in the internet? So in internet technology, HTTP, it is used. Why it is used? It is used for browsing. It is used for browsing various websites. DHCP is used for allotment of IP addresses to the new users. DNS is used to connect host to server. So A, B and C, both three are used in an internet protocol. So option D, all of the above is the correct answer. I am revising this question again. HTTP is used for browsing various websites. DHCP, Dynamic Host Control Protocol, it is used for getting IP addresses to the newly connected devices or smartphones. DNS, Domain Name Server or Domain Name System, it is used for connecting any host to server. And HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used for browsing various websites through your browser. So all these are the examples of internet protocols. The size of IP address in IPv6 is, so IPv6 128 bits. Option C is the correct answer. Basically, if we talk about IPv4 address is of 32 bit. IPv4 address is of 32 bit, and IPv6 address is of 128 bits, so don't confuse. WiMAX provides, WiMAX basically provide full duplex communication, means at the same time both host and server, can talk at the same time. It is a kind of communication called as full duplex. The next one is, which of the following frequencies is not used in WiMAX for communication? So in WiMAX for communication, 2.4 gigahertz can't be used, because if you are aware with the frequencies scenario, then 2.4 gigahertz ISM frequency is reserved for Bluetooth technology. It is used for Bluetooth technology, which is generally used in personal area network, PAN, which is generally used in personal area network, whereas WiMAX is metropolitan area network, in which we can't use this frequency. So option B is the correct answer, because question was which of the following frequency is not used. This is not used in WiMAX because it is used in Bluetooth technology. Next question is, in a Piconet, one master device cannot be slave. No, it is not answer. Can be slave in another Piconet. Yeah, means this may be the scenario. Suppose it is a master device which is connected to several devices in a Piconet. Suppose it is a Piconet 1. And in this Piconet, this is a master device. This is a master device. And this may be the scenario that in this Piconet, suppose it is a Piconet 2. In this master device is this one. And this device, this master device, which is acting as a master device in Piconet 1, it can be act as a slave in Piconet 2. It can be act as a slave in Piconet 2. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. I hope you clear the scenario. Next one is, a scatter net can have maximum of 10 piconets, 20 piconets, 30 piconets, 40 piconets. So basically in the first question we have discussed, scatter net is nothing but the group of several piconets. Group of several piconets is called as scatter net. So in a scatter net, maximum 10 piconets can be there. How many? Maximum 10 piconets, and minimum 2 piconets can be there. Minimum 2 piconets can be there, and maximum 10 piconets can be there in a scatter net. And in a piconet, if we talk about in a piconet, maximum 7 active slave devices can be there. Maximum 7 active slave devices can be there, and total devices can be parked as a 255. So guys, I hope all the questions which I have discussed with you in regards of Bluetooth, internet technology and WiMAX are clear to you. These are actually factual and informational based questions which I have generally discussed for the knowledge boosting purpose. So I hope all are very clear to you. So guys, do subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon button, and have a very nice day guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.